Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This channel is about personal development, business tips and lifestyle. So I recently uploaded a video on this channel about Camon 40 Pro that I ordered from China, and in this video today we are going to talk about the phone settings, the quality and everything. This is my first time reviewing phone, so please cope with me when I don't give you some details that you might want me to give to you. So let's get in the video. We are switching on our phone right now. Yes, but before you buy from the supplier will tell you this phone is original, this phone is copy. So I know that this phone is copy and I bought it because the only function I want for this phone is WhatsApp call, and if the camera is a little good, I'm free to go. I don't need it for any special tags. I ordered this for my kid's sister. So we are waiting for the phone to switch up. Yes, let's wait for that. As you can see, the phone is very neat and clear. It's really beautiful. It's very low. I bought it at a very low price. You can check the other video to know the price and everything, the Chinese supplier, the shipping company I used. I'll put the video link in the description box or in the comment section, so just click to watch it. So this is here that our phone is on right now. Here I was trying to show you how I would start with the settings and everything, but I wasn't getting a very clear quality of the video. I was finding difficult here to get the quality, so I will just switch it up and change the position again. Yeah, so I think this is very clear now and you can see everything very clear. Guys, you see I'm trying for you. So please do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Join this community. It's about personal development. I believe that we have to level up, and it's about business tips and lifestyle as well. So we are setting up our phone. I choose none because I don't need any password on this phone. It's not mine, actually, it's for my kid sister. So we will just accept their terms and conditions and we are free to go so that we will be able to use this phone. Now we wait for the phone screen to come. Yeah, and here we are. Everything is fine. Yes, so this is how the phone looks. It's very beautiful. I was just adjusting my tripod so you'll be able to see everything very clearly. I want you to get good quality, okay? Don't worry about my camera quality. When I get a very good money, I'm going to change this camera for you so you get a very quality video from me always. So this is how the phone looks like and it's really beautiful. Again, this is a copy. The supplier will let you know that it's a copy. I bought it because it's very cheap, very cheap. So you can check my video, the other video I made, the first video I made about this phone, and you know the price and the price on the market, the price I got from China, the rate I use in exchange of Chinese currency as well. And I'm currently having a course, and I will also give you suppliers contact as well, so you can just join the training. So this is the phone camera quality. Let me adjust so that you would see it very well. Yeah, let me go back a little. Yeah, so this is the quality. To be frank with you, I'm not going to lie. Let me tell you this, the phone quality isn't for someone that you want to go into content creation. If you want to go into content creation, the phone camera quality isn't that good. It's not that good. I was even thinking that the camera quality is very poor. But my kid sister was so happy. She was like, sis, I love the camera. It's nice. I said, really? I was thinking it's very poor. But she said it's very nice for her. So you see, from someone like me, I'm going to use this camera for a lot of things, videoing and the stuff. So the camera quality is not good for me. But for my sister, it is. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. If I left anything out, just let me know in the comment section. It's a Biden. Bye.